Hello from Sedona, Arizona. It's Michelle Maddox of Sedona Meditation Experiences. If you've been wanting to bring meditation into your daily life, but it doesn't seem to stick, join me for my online monthly program. It's called Make Meaningful Change, and that's exactly what we do. Change doesn't just happen because you think about it. You have to put habits into place, and meditation is a habit. So my Make Meaningful Change program really helps to carve out the time where you do sit down and meditate. I make it very easy. I guide you through the meditation practices. They're recorded so you can go back and listen to them again and again. And you meet in a community of others online. And even if it's just one person, there's something about community meditation that makes it so much richer and easier. It's like we all hold the energy for one another, so each of us can go a little bit deeper into our own meditation. So join me. The details are down below. And once you bring meditation into your daily life, you'll start to see how it works its magic and makes you the best version of yourself. So join me for Make Meaningful Change.